is an election which decides the future of our country. And the people of this country have full understanding of that fact. The good governance, corruption-free good governance of Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the last 10 years, which is there, we are seeking a continuation of that, and the people have decided to give a continuation to the corruption-free good governance of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I am sure that the people of Attingal constituency also will be with the country's mood and the people of the whole country. And for Kerala, as regards Kerala, Kerala has received benefits of the central government many times more than what it used to receive till 2014. So that is also another additional factor that will be there in the minds of the people of Kerala when they come to vote. This will be an opportunity for the people of Kerala to cast their vote against the misrule of the Kerala government, which is been there for the last 8 years. So I am sure they will utilize this opportunity for that. And they know that when they express their opinion, express their anger against the misrule of the state government, it should not be by voting for their ally, the Congress. So I am sure, along with Thiruvananthapuram and Attingal, many other constituencies in Kerala will this time vote for BJP and NDA, and this will be a new history that will be made in the history of Kerala.